At-home facials. Why do you need them? In today's world, look, things are expensive. Nobody has enough money. I don't care where they are on the totem pole of life. They don't have time. And it's hard to get an appointment. And so what can you do at home that is equally, if not more therapeutic than going and having a facial with devices, etc.? Number one, cleanser. Cleanser goes in and has ingredients in there that clean out the pores, the dirt, the blackheads. They start the exfoliation process, which is a huge issue in facials. And then, while your skin is wet and warm, you do exfoliating repair, which when I formulated it, I made it to go in and clean out pores. If you've got acne, it makes your acne within hours better because it's full of antioxidants. It's full of ingredients that go in, exfoliate in a healthy, therapeutic, physician strength therapeutic way, more than most facial products that are being used in spas. And it's putting out the inflammation. It's anti-aging you. It's stimulating the skin, stimulating new collagen, and it's cleaning out your pores. Then, so what do they do in facials? They use a device to exfoliate. A lot of times that device inflames you. And also a lot of the products they use are not products that your skin likes. Glycolic, skin doesn't like it. Salicylic, skin doesn't like it. It inflames the skin. It ages you, and that damage is cumulative. It doesn't go away. And so it increases your risk of rosacea, enlarged pores, etc. So then what you do is, and they use in facials now these devices that supposedly infuse all these ingredients in there. Serum infuses a maximal strength that you can do a formula that will hold together of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, everything, peptides, everything the skin, vitamin C, everything the skin needs. So exfoliating repair, cleanser, just serum. And then, look, what do people like? They like the sheen. Wrinkle filler, the strongest hyaluronic on the market, plumps up the skin. But just exfoliating repair, cleanser for your own home facial, then serum, and you've gotten a better facial than most of the facials and much more therapeutic anti-aging than virtually any facial that you go in. And you can massage your own face while you're there. Hope this helps. It will help. You'll see it. And knowledge is power. Thank you. Best choices. How do I make the best choices? Best use of my time and money. Thank you.